Hey guys, what's good? I'm Ellie. Welcome to this review. It is a unsponsored review on HiSmile's. If you are anything like me, you are super skeptical of all the products pushed to you on social media, skeptical of the results shown when you search for the product to see if it works or not, any reviews on the website. I just have trust issues. Yeah. So the purpose of this video is to basically just try this for the 6 days that it says, and I'll show you guys the results. Pretty simple. Let's get into it.
So I have the whole bundle for testing this. I've got the main whitening kit, I have the additional gels, I've got the night and day toothpaste, and I've got the tooth whitening pen. This is how we'll measure the before and after results of using the product. I've also got the day toothpaste and the nighttime toothpaste, and I will use this pen once a day for the whole time.
I'm thinking the best way is to stand in front of the light and kind of just like what is it in between these two? Maybe it's a 5. I think I'm like a 5 or a 4. Maybe a 5. Yeah, I think a 5, guys. You decide. Definitely not there. Or maybe there. I'll change the lighting and see if we have any other opinions on what color it is first. I really want to get this right. Okay, it's interesting. Looking in this mirror, I think I'm between a 4 and a 5. Like if we're happy with that, we'll be able to see if it's more towards like 4 and 3 or 2 afterwards. But I definitely think it's not quite a 4. Like it's really hard to tell. I'd say some teeth are 5s and some teeth are 4 and some are like in between. I don't know. Let's just go for that. 4-ish, 4.5. So to put it together, you put this in the back of this. Like this. And then you put 1/4 of the gel on the top and 1/4 of the gel on the bottom. I've really tried to get it covered as best as I can so that it's covering all parts of my teeth.
One frozen wasteland later.
Hey guys, so we're on this is day 7 now. I've completed 6 days using the gels. I wanted to be really clear. I did the gels for 10 minutes every day for 6 days. I also did the pen once every day, and I also did the morning and the nighttime toothpaste. So I used the whole bundle to do this. Going off just how my teeth look before I even put them up to here, I can tell the stains have lifted around my teeth where they were more yellow down the bottoms and stuff. Like I've definitely noticed they are more even in color versus like some areas being yellow and stuff. Do I think it works? Yes, I think the product works. My teeth are not sensitive. I know that will get asked. It doesn't make my teeth sensitive at all, and I've definitely used whiteners in the past that make my teeth very sensitive, so I did not enjoy that. Do I feel like my teeth are as white as I thought they were going to get? No, but I don't know if that's because they weren't super yellow to start with, or because I've seen some really dramatic before and after pictures that is, yeah, it's that whole thing of I would like them to be whiter. Maybe that's the issue. I would like them to be whiter, so therefore I'm going, but it does work. It does work, don't get me wrong. So I will do this and then we'll compare it. Maybe I'll change my mind after I see that. I'm just trying to be brutally honest. So these are my teeth. You can see the yellow has definitely lifted. No. I don't know. My teeth are definitely whiter. Like you can tell they're just more even, they're brighter. I just can't tell how many shades brighter. Like it's really tricky. I'll go into the other room and I'll do it back in the mirror and I'll just have a look at what I think when I'm looking at the mirror. So I know we thought it was like a 5 and a 4, like maybe like a 4.5 I think is what we said. I still think it's a 5.4, but it feels brighter. This is what I don't get. I'm gonna give it another go for another 6 days. So I've got the extra ones to do. So I'm gonna do it again for another 6 days, and I will do another video to see how much brighter 6 days got me and if that got me to where I thought I was going to get. I guess I'm stoked the staining's gone. I'm really happy the staining's gone, and that alone makes them feel very white. Yeah, I don't know. I would say I'm like a 4.5, like a 3.5. Like look, it's definitely not there. But that's not 2 shades lighter.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hi guys, so it is 15 days later, so from the first day of trying HiSmile. Now the whole point of this was I really wanted to test it for you. I really wanted to see if this worked, and I genuinely want white, bright teeth. Did it make my smile brighter? You could argue that because they're now even, they look brighter. But my teeth are not where I wanted them to be. I guess not what I would have wanted them from the product. Like I want a brighter smile. So this product didn't get me there, okay, but it did take out the stains, so it does work. One comment I do want to make was that by doing the whitening for double the amount of time, there was not additional results with the second half that I could visibly see. I achieved what you can see now, I feel, in the first lot of whitening, okay? So I don't know if, yeah, I can't, I'm trying to be as fair as possible, to the sense like, yes, it lifted the stains. No, it didn't give me the brightest smile. It didn't whiten my teeth like I thought the product would, but I am happy that it's got rid of the stains. But I'm still now left with trying to find what can brighten my smile, okay? I will show you the side teeth.
So I did want to point out here as well, you can see visibly how yellow the side teeth are compared to the middle teeth.
Does it work? It got rid of my stains. I think it will work for other people better than it did for me. I'm happy that my teeth are even, but now I'm on a brighter smile mission. So there's my review. I hope you enjoyed. Ask questions down below. And yeah, hopefully this was helpful. I was just trying to keep it honest, open, legit, really test it. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.